Okay, so we've already covered how to place a book on hold, how to take out a book, how to search for a book. Let's go through and use the Explore feature. The Explore feature is a fun, advanced browsing style. It's not quite advanced searching, which you can do here. But if you wanted to use anything for kids, teens, here's a guide for a very popular genre of the mystery and thriller. You can also go to the features, as well as what's new, what's popular, what's available. We can skip the line. If we've had anything on our wait list or anything within our wish list, we can add it here, but unfortunately, as I'm a new user, there's nothing there at the moment. We can search by subject, and there's lots of different subjects to look through. Now again, this is more of a browsing feature rather than a full-on searching feature. So if I were to use something like, we'll go for mythology, this is just going to show those items that incorporate mythology in some way. So we'll go back, and we'll go back. So this is using the Explore just to do an advanced browsing within this. The last thing we're going to be looking at is actually this icon up top. This is your notices. You can check out your libraries. You can go to help and support. You can see your library card. If somebody's asking what's your library card number, it's right up there. You can add another card if there are more than one household and you want to use the same Libby account. You can also manage your notifications. This is where Libby will put in their updates and their new features as well. So I'm going to actually hide that. And that's it. That's about it for using Libby. If you have any questions moving forward, please feel free to reach out and leave comments on this video or give me an email. I've put all that information in the description below, as well as all the other videos in this series. Thank you so much for watching and happy browsing.